हुई थी इस गाने की वो ऑब्वियसली जब हम गाना बना रहे थे तब हुई थी. एक आइडिया था हमारे पास, एक बीट थी एंड उस पर हमने कोई धुन बनाने की कोशिश की एंड फिर बन गई एक्चुअली. पूरा वो बनते बनते पूरा 3 मिनट का गाना बन गया. देन वी हैड
आई थिंक
लिरिक्स
पहले
नहीं थे
पहले तो
इसके.
सिर्फ ट्यून बनी थी, उसके बाद हमने कॉन्सेप्ट डिसाइड किया जब हमारा लिरिसिस्ट सिद्धांत कौशल who's written the song he came and then we decided the concept, but पहले आई थिंक धुन बनी थी and तभी शुरुआत हुई थी आई थिंक इस गाने की.
ओके सो देन ये जो अर्जुन बिजलानी इनका आना है आप दोनों का है, ये किस तरीके से माइंड में आया?
बिकॉज आई थिंक ये कलेक्टिवली हमने एक कॉल ली थी क्रिएटिवली कि लेबल हम जब सोच रहे थे कि वीडियो में क्या करें, कॉन्सेप्ट क्या रखेंगे. देन ऑब्वियसली वी वांटेड अ मेल लीड. तो हम सोच रहे थे दैट व्हाट डू वी डू नाउ, हु शुड वी गेट नाउ. तो आई थिंक आवर एंटायर टीम गॉट इन टच विद फ्यू पीपल. हमने सबके प्रोफाइल्स देखे एंड देन ऑब्वियसली व्हेन वी केम अक्रॉस अर्जुन्स प्रोफाइल एंड हमने अर्जुन का बहुत काम देखा है पहले एंड आई नो हाउ what shows he's done on TV and everything, then we just thought that he would be the perfect fit in the song somehow. And then he also really likes the song, so he hopped on the project and shooting में भी बहुत मज़ा आया. And now that's our first collaboration with the male lead. कहंदी हाँ कहंदी ना.
ओके सो
हाँ अच्छा हाँ 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 ठीक है चलेगा.
क्या बाल टच हो रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा? Okay, you both are basically, very much known for twin sister. But when you like, कभी ऐसा होता है कि you work single, she is not with you. Does that make you feel little bit weird when you both are not working together?
No, I think we obviously, like, so many years now we've been working separately also in
Right,
in terms of singing and recording. Of course shows हम दोनों के एक साथ ही होते हैं, but I think
अभी तक तो एक्चुअली
right now
इंडिविजुअल
we've-
करियर्स ही हुए हैं. ओनली 2019 वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग टुगेदर बिकॉज शोज हम साथ में करते थे बट हमारे पास एक भी गाना नहीं था जो हम साथ में गा सकते हैं शोज पे. तो जो हमने कुछ कवर्स किए होते थे यूट्यूब पे, एवरीबडी वुड रिक्वेस्ट फॉर दैट. सो देन वी वर लाइक वी नीड सम सॉन्ग्स टू सिंग टुगेदर बिकॉज अगर शोज हम साथ में कर रहे हैं तो मतलब भी बनना चाहिए उसका. So then
But
we
I
just
think,
started now
our
actually.
journeys will always be together. When we're composing and we're making songs for us and खुद के singles, एक साथ होंगे. But of course collaborations and here and there you will listen to us individually also.
And also independent music का जो दौर है, it has been changed.
Of course, yeah.
अभी जो है लोग पसंद करते हैं.
Yeah.
लोगों को independent music is on other level.
Yeah.
What do you want to say on that?
I think when you talk about independent music anymore, पहले लोग बोलते थे independent music is the future. It is the present now. It's not like we have to wait कि it will be the main thing because I feel like indie pop is picking up so much. Movies में भी सारे गाने आजकल इतने अभी के सारे singles ले रहे हैं लोग. Singles are really popular. People really take interest in आजकल के singles and
I
इससे
think this
better
is
time
the way
नहीं है.
to go forward. I think music is music, Bollywood, non-Bollywood, non-film, film. Music is music. I think if somebody likes a song, they listen to it anywhere, anyhow. I think बहुत mediums available हैं. यही नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ film जब देखने जाओगे तो music आप सुन सकते हो. So I think now.
So as far as 2019 is over and 20 has been started, do you have something unique ideas or some new thing in mind going on?
ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक ये बहुत सारे लोग कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं थोड़ा सा कि हमने ज़्यादा म्यूज़िक रिलीज़ नहीं किया था 2019 में. वो इसलिए था बिकॉज 2019 में हम जो भी 2020 में आने वाला है उस पर काम कर रहे थे. सो आई थिंक नाउ विदाउट टेकिंग ब्रेक्स we have a lot of ideas, a lot of collaborations in the pipeline, and it'll release as and when we go through this year.
So it's a great start as such right now, but इसके बाद का कुछ है जो बताना चाहेंगे हमें?
मेरा एक अगला गाना आएगा मार्च में, प्रकृति का. इनफैक्ट there's something that she's doing on Valentine's Day that will be out soon.
But these are like fun collaborations and different projects that you'll hear as the year transitions.
Okay, so अब तो बहुत हो गई सॉन्ग की बात हमने कर ही ली है. एक सेगमेंट करेंगे हम. So firstly you have to give your introduction and you have to say we are playing a segment called Never Ever.
So do we have to take a tag? Where?
Hi, this is Sukriti. Hi, this is Prakriti, and we are having a segment called Never.
Never ever.
Hi everyone, this is me, Sukriti.
Hi, this is Prakriti, and now we're going to be playing Never Ever.
Okay,
Never have I ever.
She said Never Ever.
that's okay.
Okay, cool.
So have you ever broken someone's bone?
Bone.
Yes.
Wow.
I thought you'd say heart.
No.
Bone. No.
Never.
No. Okay. Cheated
Is
on
that a
someone.
normal thing? I don't know. No.
Cheated on
Not even
someone.
broken my own bone, so no.
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 Okay. So cheated on someone.
No. Never. You cheated in exams for sure, but not someone.
Failed in any subject.
Yes, I have twice maths, Marathi, and maths
Okay.
once.
Been awake for 24 hours.
Never.
Yeah, maybe 23, 20, I don't know, maybe 20, 21, 22 hours though we've been up.
Crash the car.
Yes! Yes, I wish I could say never, but no. Yes. No, not me.
No.
Yeah, not me.
Okay. Lied to a friend.
Yes. Good lies are okay sometimes.
Okay. Stalked a person on or a fan on a social media.
Yeah, sometimes it's
Stalking
important.
is healthy sometimes.
Okay. Lied about your age.
Yes.
Not yet.
When I was younger, when I was 18 or 17, I would lie that I'm older. Now I'm 24 and I want to lie that I'm maybe 19. So yeah, I keep doing it all the time.
But why?
Just, it's fun, no? Till it lasts, you can
I think when
lie.
you're young, you want to be taken seriously, and then one day you're old, and then you're just like, I want to be younger and cooler. That's it.
Okay. So used a fake ID.
Yes.
Yes. In
Yeah, we
US,
have.
to go to a club once,
Yeah.
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 got it morphed.
Okay. So made a prank call.
Yeah, we are like, we've done a lot of fun things like that. Definitely, we've done it for, it was a dare, so I've done it, yeah.
Okay. But as well, like within your friend circle.
No.
or acceptance and
No,
all
I
this
think
stuff?
it was just maybe a friend's birthday and we were playing Truth and Dare and it was kind of a dare, so.
Okay. Okay. So got a weird nickname from your fans.
No, I think they call us by our nicknames
Yeah.
only, and our
Which
nicknames
is-
are anyway weird. So yeah.
Okay. Being lost in a foreign country.
Yes. Multiple times actually
and
because
we're not the girls who charge their phones completely, and sometimes you just get lost. So you have to ask people the way to your hotel. So.
yeah,
In New York, I think, I think 3 years back, me and Sukriti were
we got completely
lost.
lost.
Like we
And-
thought we'll just walk it because aspas hi jana hai,
and
and
everyone
then we
was
lost the way.
walking and then we didn't have a charger and then we literally met
People
the
to
people
guide us.
that we came to New York with after a day and a half. But it was the best time ever.
Played a golf.
Never tried it.
Never. Stolen something from hotels.
Never.
Maybe like this really cool shampoo that I saw, which was really, really amazing smelling. It was like a very small bottle, but not from India, so it's okay. Yeah,
Sung or danced in a shower.
all the
Yeah.
time. We're complete entertainers.
For ourselves also.
Had a crush on a teacher.
No, never
We didn't
had
have
a
very good-looking teachers.
You never had only.
We never had male teachers also, so
Or had a crush on a fan.
not
No.
yet.
No.
Not really.
Being robbed.
Dropped,
Robbed.
robbed, no.
No.
Touch wood, nahi abhi tak.
Abhi tak nahi.
Faked illness.
Yes. I
Yeah.
think we've done that a few times. When I'm really tired, I'll probably say something that is not true.
Punched someone.
When they deserve it, yeah.
Yeah, maybe she has. I've never
Yeah.
tried it.
Or last cried for no reason.
All the time, I cry
That
a
is
lot.
Sukriti's favorite thing to do.
I cry. I feel better by crying, so I don't think there's anything wrong with crying. So I like crying.
And Prakriti, you never do that?
No, I cry, but when there's a reason, I won't like unreasonably cry, you know. She
Okay.
cries a lot.
Okay, so although coming back to the song, although your song is getting a huge response and good response, something for your fans you would like to say?
We just want to say that thank you for all the love, for Kendi Ha Kendi Na. It's a super special song for the both of us. Please keep supporting us. We've just started our journey in the non-film industry, and we need all your love, all your support, all your blessings, and thank you.
And I think I would just keep saying that, like we're going to be and we're going to try to be as consistent as we can. And I think we're going to keep you super, super entertained this year. So yeah, just look out for more stuff coming out from us this season. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.